Hello students, welcome to the Jan classes. Today we will learn about the video tag in HTML. To do any programming, firstly we have to imagine the output. That's why firstly see the output. I want the Disney World as the heading, and in the web page I want the multiple videos which we have to play, which we will play. Okay, so to do any programming, firstly imagine simply open programming. We will do the HTML code, and after opening the HTML code we will close the HTML code. In the HTML code I want the body as the brown colors, that's why the body tag and the closing body tag. In the body I want the background color, so bg color tag will I will use bg color equals to brown. Bg color is the property and the brown is the value. Okay, attribute and the property are the same thing. I have to save this file in the D drive HTML final fifth.html, because this is my fifth video. Fifth.html and all files save. Okay, now let's run this file. Okay, in the D drive HTML final fifth, I have to run this file. Okay, brown color. Now I want the heading as the Disney World, so I will put the heading. So h1, so h1, again h1 end h1, in the h1 Disney World, Disney World, Disney World. Okay, just save this file and run this. Okay, just refresh it. Disney World, but Disney World should be in the middle, so I will apply the center tag. So center tag is open and center tag is close. Center tag is close. So center tag open, center tag close. Just save this file and refresh it. Disney. Now I want the video here. Okay, so to upload the video tag is open, video tag open and video tag close, video tag close. So to upload any video, firstly we have to save that video in our current folder, or otherwise you have to pass the path where your video is saved. Okay, so I already saved all the videos in my folder, so I will simply write the name like ducktales dot mp4, because I am uploading the mp4 file. Okay, mp4, and I want the width of video as a 200, so 200. Simply just save this file and run this. Okay, but here something is uploaded but not playing. Okay, we have to play this file, that's why I will write the controls equal to, in double quote, controls. Controls is the attribute and control is the value. Okay, just save this file and again refresh this. Okay, now just play.
जिंदगी तूफानी है जहां है तक पर गाड़ियां लेजर्स हवाई जहाज ये है तक
just stop this file. Now I want this file, this mp4 video is now playing successfully. Now I want the another video file. Okay, so let's again just copy this line. Okay, just copy this line and paste here. Just paste here. Okay, just paste here. Okay, now I want the ducktails in the same line. That's why I will not use the br tag. Okay, I will use here ducktails we already use, so I will use here Mowgli jungle book. This is my mp4 file. Okay, Mowgli jungle book. Just refresh this. Okay, but third one I didn't write the letter, or I didn't write the name. Okay, now I want the tailspin. Okay, just save this file and again refresh this. Okay, 3 uploaded here. Okay, now I can play here also. I can play here. I can hear.
पानी है
Okay, this is the maximize. Controls are here. Maximize, play, pause. If I wanted this type of this video, so I can play this video. Okay, just play. Okay, just minimize this. Okay, I can run the third file also. I can maximize also. Okay, you can run any file here. Okay, now I will upload the fourth one file. Again, what I will use, the video tag equals to video src equal to double quote Aladdin dot mp4 file double quote complete controls. Without control tag it will not play the video. Okay, controls double quote complete. The width should be 200. You can take any measurement or any value, but I will prefer 200. Okay, and video tag video. Just save this file and refresh it. Okay, Aladdin.
वो जगह दूर है जहाँ मेरा देश ऊँट दौड़े जहाँ रेत पर मेरे होश है कम गर्मी से निकले दम है तो मुश्किल.
Just stop this file. Okay, now I want the fifth one. So I will fifth one, control V, and I will change only the name. These all mp4 files are present in my folder. Okay, then gummy bear dot mp4. Just save this file and run this. Okay, gummy bear is uploaded here.
Dashing and daring, courageous and caring, faithful and friendly, with stories to share.
Now I want the more videos in the next line. So I will simply write br tag here. I want the br tag here, and again upload this file. Okay, DuckTales. You can put another videos also, mp4 and so on. Okay, but I prefer only the mp4 files. So just save this file and run it. In the next line, but I want the difference, some gap between two videos. Okay, so I will upload the br tag again. BR, control S, and just refresh it. Okay, the gap is created here. Okay, but I want how many videos I want? 3 or to 5. I want more 2 lines of the videos because I want the output should like this. Okay, so I will just paste 5 times here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5th. Okay, and I will change only the names of that videos. Okay, DuckTales, then Mowgli, Jungle Book, then Aladdin, then Tailspin, Gummy Bear. Just save this file and again run it. One more file I want. Okay, so okay, now I want the 3 and 3 6 is done now. So I can put this line. I will cut this line. Okay, relax, and again BR tag is here, and again BR tag is here. Control S, and again 5 lines I will copy and again 5 lines I will paste here. Just save this file and run it. Just refresh it. Okay, so we get the expected output like this. We are displaying all the videos are playing here. If you want any video as the just zoom out. Okay, you can see different videos like stop all this time. In this way, you can upload the multiple files, you can play the multiple files. Okay? Thank you so much. If you like my video, just like, subscribe and share. Thank you.